Tired of cords or weak grinders slowing you down? Meet the complete SP Tools 18V SX Drive 125mm brushless 6-speed angle grinder kit. This ready-to-work kit includes two 5-amp-hour batteries and a fast charger, plus a powerful brushless motor delivering 1,000-watt equivalent performance. 6 speeds from 1,500 to 10,000 revolutions per minute handle cutting, grinding, sanding, buffing, and polishing. Soft start, anti-vibration handle, and mesh guard keep you comfortable all day. Compatible with 4.5-inch and 5-inch wheels. The SP83311US is the complete kit you're currently missing. Success is built with SP Tools.